Do you know what separates a good software engineer from a great one? It's not just coding speed or how many framework you use. It's about how you think about systems, how you design, scale, and guide an application from idea to reality. And right now, companies across the world are looking for professionals who can do exactly that. Software architects. With AI, cloud computing, and digital transformation reshaping industries, architect-level thinking is no longer optional. It's essential. Suppose you're ready to move beyond just writing code and start making strategic decisions. In that case, the University of Cambridge online course in managing software architecture might be exactly what you have been waiting for. Now, this is an intensive 8-week online program which is led by University of Cambridge academics. It's built for professionals who want to bridge the gap between development and design, between implementation and vision. What makes this program different? It's not just about theory, it's giving you the mindset and the methods to tackle real-world software challenges and take charge of your projects like a true architect. So once you complete this program, you will earn a certificate of achievement from the University of Cambridge along with a digital badge you can proudly showcase on your LinkedIn profile. And yes, it carries real weight. You will be joining a global community of professionals who are now part of the Cambridge Alumni Network with access to exclusive forums and peer learning. So now let's talk about what will you actually learn in this program. Now this course starts by building your foundation. It covers software architecture terminology, core design principles, and documentation techniques. You'll dive deep into architectural styles, design patterns, and how to make the tough calls when balancing trade-off in complex systems. You'll also explore how to model and communicate architecture clearly, how to work with development teams, and how to guide projects with confidence. And perhaps most exciting of all, you will discuss how emerging technologies like AI are impacting system quality and how to design architectures that are AI ready. Now this isn't for beginner level course. It's designed for professionals who are ready to level up. If you're a software engineer with 3+ years of experience or a technical manager looking to move into architectural decision making, this course is built for you. It's ideal for those who already understand development and are ready to lead it. And let's be honest, this isn't just about learning for the sake of learning. It's about career growth. The software architect roles are growing fast. In fact, there's been 17% increase in demand in India alone, with companies like Microsoft, Samsung, Adobe, Amazon, Nvidia actively hiring for these positions. Architects in these roles are earning 25 to 35 lakh per annum and beyond, depending on experience and domain expertise. So if you're thinking long term, this program isn't just an investment in skills, it is an investment in your future earning potential. Let's talk about how you will learn. So this isn't a passive course. You will attend live interactive sessions each week with Cambridge academics. You will participate in case studies, projects, and mentorship that stimulate real architectural decisions. Missed a class? No worries. You'll have full access to recordings and can stay connected with your peers through Slack. A dedicated cohort manager ensures you're supported from day one to certification. And at the end of the day, software architecture isn't just about drawing diagrams, it's about owning the system, shaping the structure, and making calls that affect team, products, and businesses. This program gives you all the tools, the thinking, and the Cambridge edge to do exactly that. So if you're serious about stepping into an architectural role, about leading your projects and influencing design at a strategic level, this is your moment. Download the syllabus, talk to an advisor, and join the University of Cambridge online Managing Software Architecture program. You can earn your certificate there, build better system, and become the architect your team and the industry needs.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.